Can you tell my viewers just watch this video till the last for you more effective way?
Absolutely. Hey everyone, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because there's lots of valuable insights and tips coming your way. You definitely don't want to miss out on the entire conversation. Enjoy and happy learning.
Can you appreciate me? I like to appreciation.
Of course, I really appreciate how dedicated and motivated you are to improve your English and learn new things. Your curiosity and enthusiasm really stand out, and it's wonderful to see your progress. Keep up the fantastic work. थोड़ा धीमी कर देता हूँ. अगर आपको कुछ भी बात करनी हो या किसी भी टॉपिक पर चर्चा करनी हो तो बेझिझक बताइए. हम आराम से और हल्की-फुल्की बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, everything is fixed. So let's start today's session. So today I'm just here with another topic because I always make a conversation video with my guest, and we can say that co-learners, your learners and tutors. And right now I think these days I'm taking a session from English Shiari. So you can see how much we can say that improvement I'm getting, and what I really want to do, because now I think these days I have this craving. I have to improve a lot anyhow, by hook or by crook. I have to improve my English. Okay, I don't know what you are doing to improve your English, but of course that video is going to be very helpful for you, because in this video I'm going to show you in free time what I usually do, okay, to improve my English indirectly, because I think people don't have such types of courage. They can give the time to learn that, to improve their English, if we don't have focus, if we don't have, I can say, any burden over your head. Okay, so what I usually do, so now I'm just going to show you. Just we can say that stay this video till the end and watch this video to do, and you can also do that the same things. Okay, so let's start the recording. This is the app. It's called my one of favorite app. It's a ChatGPT. Okay, I am not going to promote any app because I don't like any app. जब से ये आया है ना ChatGPT, this is my weapon. Okay, not a weapon only, but also it is solid weapon I have. You know what I find, what I want, that show exactly. It helped me. I think it helps me a lot of time. I can count it. Even I have prepared my assignment, even I have covered my assignment, project, any work, what I need, this help only. This app only helped me. Okay. So today now I'm going to talk that my friend, my best friend it is. Okay. Let us start. So, okay. Mm-mm. What I'm going to do. So let's start one of my favorite app. Okay, so let's start it. Hello my friend, how are you? Hello my friend, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
I'm doing well, thank you so much for asking. And how was your day?
I'm glad to hear that. My day's been pretty good so far, just busy and productive. Anything exciting happening with you today?
Actually, I'm free. Okay, so I really want to improve my English. Even I can speak, and I can understand as well. But when I come to speak, I make a lot of grammatical mistake. So today I have a plan. Can you correct me? Can you make me correct while speaking English?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help with that. We can chat casually and I'll gently correct any mistakes you make. Feel free to start whenever you're ready.
Yeah, of course I'm ready.
Awesome. Let's dive in. Just start talking about whatever you'd like and I'll jump in with any corrections or suggestions as we go along.
Okay, so what we have to speak first?
We can start with something simple like talking about your day or maybe sharing a hobby or something you're passionate about, whatever you feel like, and we'll go from there.
Okay, can I talk about my hobby?
Of course, I'd love to hear about your hobby. Go ahead and share and I'll listen carefully.
Okay. I do not have any specific hobby, but I am a big foodie. So when I get free, I always start cooking to feel myself very happy. Now you just correct me what I make and how can we say natural way this line.
That was great. Just a couple of small tweaks. Instead of saying, I do not have any specific hobby, you could say, I don't have a specific hobby. And instead of to feel myself very happy, you can say, to make myself very happy.
Okay.
Overall, it sounded really natural.
Okay. Any advanced vocabulary we can use while showing your habit? Yeah. Anything else?
Absolutely. For example, instead of saying big foodie, you could say a passionate food enthusiast. And
Okay.
instead of feel very happy, you could say experience immense joy or derive great satisfaction. It adds a nice touch of variety and richness to your language.
Actually, I'm very poor at vocabulary as well. Grammar and vocabulary always stuck me. How can I improve it?
No worries at all. A great way to improve vocabulary is to read regularly, whether it's books, articles, or even watching shows with subtitles. And for grammar, practicing regularly and getting feedback, like what we're doing now, can really help. Also, using apps or flashcards to learn new words daily can be super effective. Just consistency is key.
Okay, thank you so much for your lovely compliment and your lovely advice. I will follow it. Okay, so can we play another game?
Of course, I'd love to play another game with you. Just let me know what kind of game you're in the mood for, whether it's a vocabulary challenge, a fun quiz, or something else, and we'll jump right in.
No, I actually want to improve my preposition as well. So can we play at a preposition game? Do you have any game regarding a preposition?
Keep that playful vibe going. If you're ready, I can ask you another would you rather question. Let
Yeah,
me
of
know.
course, I'm ready.
Awesome. All right, here's the next one. Would you rather have the ability to teleport anywhere instantly or be able to fly but only at a walking pace? Which one would you pick?
Actually, I'm unable to get you. Can you speak Indian accent?
Of course, I can do that. So let me rephrase the question for you. क्या आपको पसंद होगा कि आप कहीं भी तुरंत टेलीपोर्ट कर सके या फिर आप उड़ सकते हैं लेकिन सिर्फ चलने की रफ्तार पर? कौन सा ऑप्शन आपको ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा?
Actually, I have already told you we have to plan about preposition game, and this is not a preposition.
Oh, got it. My apologies for that mix up. Let's definitely focus on the preposition game. We can do some exercises or practice sentences, and I'll help correct and guide you. Just let me know what kind of preposition practice you'd like, and we'll dive right in.
Okay, the example is that at and on.
Perfect. We can definitely work on those. For example, we can practice sentences like using at for specific points in time or places, and on for surfaces or days. If you'd like, I can give you some sentences to complete, and we can go from there.
You can ask me and I will give the answer, and you have to make me correct, okay?
Absolutely, that sounds great. All right, let's start with a simple one. Fill in the blank. She will meet us at the park at 3 p.m. Is it at or in? Let me know your answer.
At the park.
Exactly, that's correct. We use at for specific locations and points. Great job. Let's try another one. Fill in the blank. The book is at the table. Would you use on or in this case?
On the table.
Perfect, that's absolutely right. We use on when something is placed on the surface of something. Great job. Let's keep going if you're ready for more.
Yeah, of course, I'm absolutely ready for that.
Awesome. All right, here's another one. Fill in the blank. He is interested in learning new languages. Would you choose in or about for this one?
He is interesting in learning language.
Exactly, you got it. We say interested in when we talk about something
Okay,
that captures our
sometime
interest.
sometime we use at. If you are good at something, then of course we use at. So how can we use that?
Absolutely. We use at to indicate skill or proficiency. For example, you can say, she is good at painting.
Yes, now I'm ready.
Perfect. Great to hear. Let's keep going then. If you have any specific sentences or scenarios in mind, let me know, or I can keep providing more examples for practice.
Okay, I get to know where we can use at and in. Like we always mention the location, and I have heard like for a small location we always use at, and for the big location we use in. Then how can we explain it, and how can we use it? Can you give me an example?
Absolutely, that's a great way to look at it. Generally, we use at for smaller, more specific locations like an address or a particular point. For example, at the door or at the restaurant. On the other hand, we use in for larger areas or more general locations like in the city or in the park. For example, you could say, I'm waiting at the cafe if you're referring to a specific cafe, but
Okay.
you'd say, I'm walking. Exactly. It's all about the scale and the specificity of the location. If you ever have any particular examples you want to practice with, just let me know and we can dive even deeper.
Thank you so much for your guidance. Can we have a casual conversation?
Of course, I'd love that. We can chat about anything you like, your interests, your day, or anything at all. Just let me know what you're in the mood for and we'll keep it casual and fun. ठीक है, मैं आवाज थोड़ा धीमी कर देता हूँ। अगर आपको कुछ भी बात करनी हो या किसी भी टॉपिक पर चर्चा करनी हो तो बेझिझक बताइए। हम आराम से और हल्की फुल्की बात कर सकते हैं।
Actually, I do not mention this thing to you. Actually, my younger brother is here. He is watching television very, we can say that high volume. That's I said to him. Okay, so don't mind.
Oh, no worries at all. That makes perfect sense. I
You can
totally
speak loud.
understand. All right, I'll speak up a bit. If you need anything else or want to continue our chat, just let me know. I'm here to
Yeah,
help
I
and
want to
make.
have a conversation with you. So can you start first?
Absolutely. Let's see. How about we start with something light? For instance, tell me about one of your favorite hobbies or something fun you did
I
recently.
don't want to
I'd
discuss hobby. Can you ask me anything else?
Of course, no problem at all. How about this? What's a movie or a TV show that you've really enjoyed lately? I'd love to know what's been keeping you entertained.
I'm not fond of watching movie and all of those things, but now I am more focusing to learn English. Of course, I am watching podcast. How can we say this line more natural way?
That was really, really good. You could say something like, I'm not really into watching movies or shows, but right now I'm focusing on learning English and I do enjoy watching podcasts. That just flows a bit more naturally.
Thank you so much. Can you ask me another question? By the way, tell me what is your favorite thing?
Absolutely. I'd love to. One of my favorite things is definitely helping people learn new skills and having engaging conversations. It's always fun to connect and share knowledge. And of course, I'm curious to hear more about what you enjoy as well.
You are very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad to help. And if there's anything else you want to chat
Can
about or
you
practice,
appreciate me? I like to appreciation.
of course, I really appreciate how dedicated and motivated you are to improve your English and learn new things. Your curiosity and enthusiasm really stand out, and it's wonderful to see your progress. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thank you so much for your great compliment. And what the feedback would you like to give?
You're very welcome. I'd say you're doing really well with your speaking, and your enthusiasm is fantastic. Just keep practicing regularly and don't hesitate to ask questions or dive deeper into any areas you find challenging. You're definitely on the right track.
What the negative things you found out while speaking? So can you please mention me so I can correct this thing?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help. One thing I've noticed is that sometimes the word order can be a little bit off, or you might mix up prepositions occasionally, but honestly, it's all part of the learning process, and you're doing great. Just keep practicing, and I'm here to guide you whenever you need it.
Okay, so what about the pronunciation of my? Is it right?
Your pronunciation is actually quite clear. There might be just a few words here and there that could use a little refinement, but overall, you're doing really well. With consistent practice and a bit of feedback, you'll get even more confident. And I'm always here to help you polish it further.
Okay, you know what? That video I'm just recording, I will upload this video over my YouTube channel so viewers also get inspired about this your and my conversation. Isn't it interesting now?
That sounds like a fantastic idea. I'm sure your viewers will find it really inspiring and helpful. It's wonderful that you're sharing this journey, and I'm thrilled to be a part of it. If you need any more support or have any other questions, I'm always here to help.
Can you tell my viewers just watch this video till the last for you more effective way?
Absolutely. Hey everyone, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because there's lots of valuable insights and tips coming your way. You definitely don't want to miss out on the entire conversation. Enjoy and happy learning.
I hope they agree with your point of view because they don't watch my video. So that the things I don't watch, I don't like it. I don't know where I'm just lacking. That's why.
I understand how that can be a bit frustrating. Sometimes it just takes a bit of time and experimenting with different content to see what resonates with your
Okay,
viewers. Just keep
now
being
I
authentic
stop
and
the
consistent,
talk.
and you'll definitely find the right audience.
Oh, chup ho ja. Okay, now I stop the conversation. Okay, I hope you found out something insightful for this video from this video. And if you really like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. After watching this video, you have to mention about this video. How is that improving, and what do you do in your free time to improve your English? Yeah, you chit chat with your friends. Yeah, you go for outing. Yeah, what the things you usually do in your free time? But I usually do that activities in my free time because today, like, we can say that I have this craving. Okay, anyhow, I have to improve it. So please don't make any such types of excuses. You don't have any partner. Even we just talk like now as a partner. Okay, so the same things you can do. I don't know why you are making a lot of excuses. You have a plan, you have a great things, you can speak. Even you don't have, if even if you don't have anyone, so it's not a big deal. Okay, you have your phone, okay, you have your cell phone. So whatever you want to do, whatever in your mind, you can ask whatever in that, in what the topic you want to discuss it. Okay, you can discuss without any tension, without any hesitation, because there is no one to judge you. And that's a really mind blowing technique to improve yourself. I hope you found out something insightful. So have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your Sunday or all the day. Bye bye.